Continuing from where we left off yesterday, the total surface area of this prism will be the perimeter of base times height, which will come from here, plus 2 times of base. Now, what is 2 times of base? Don't forget that base and the word cross-sectional area is used interchangeably right now. So the base is this square, and therefore 2 times of base refers to 2 times of the area of this square. Put this into the calculator and you will get 24 cm squared. Okay. Let's carry on. So what about this solid? Is it a prism? The answer is yes. It's a prism with this identified as its base and this identified as its height. Please complete method 1 by yourself. You can find out the respective areas and then you find out the total surface area. I'm going to focus on method 2 because this is what I am expecting you to do from now onwards. Now, as I was saying, the base has been identified to be the rectangle like so. Okay, so therefore the perimeter of the base is 2 times of 5 plus 3, which is equals to 16 cm. So the perimeter of the base times height will be 16 cm times 2 cm. Okay. And then they ask you, what do you notice about the value in A2 and C? It is just like the above section. The values are equal. And then, is there therefore another way to find the surface area? Of course, the surface area, notice that I am not writing SA for surface area. I actually have to write out, okay, what it stands for. So the surface area will be equals to the perimeter of your base times height, and then you add it to 2 times your base area, which means 16 times 2 plus 2 times of the base area, which is 5 times 3, and therefore the answer is 62 cm squared. Looking at the last example on this page, is this a prism? Yes. What is the base? The base is identified to be this triangle, and this is therefore the height of the prism. So you can fill in the rest of the parts by yourself. I'm going to just go on to the last line here. What is the surface area of this prism? It is equals to the perimeter of the base times height plus 2 times of the base area. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, then times 2, so plus 2 times the area of this triangle, which is half times base times height. And for the base times height, remember these two must be perpendicular to each other. Looking back at your diagram, the perpendicular sides are here and here, so therefore it will be 3, 4. And this will give you a total of 36 cm squared. As I've always said, please don't work this out one by one. If you are careful in substituting the numbers, you can put this straight in the calculator and get the answer straight away. Okay, don't work it out part by part.